back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, I just want to say that if you're in the United States, if you're celebrating the upcoming weekend and upcoming July 4th holiday on next Tuesday, I hope you have a fabulous weekend. But before we get into all the celebrating, I am sharing today some job leads for you. And today's job lead comes from huge online retailer Amazon. They are hiring an IT support associate. Now, this is virtual remote work from home for the United States. If you have any IT experience or if you're good with computers, they're not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, but they are basically looking for somebody to serve as the first point of contact for technical support service requests from their internal people. So you'll spend the day fielding incoming chats, calls, and online requests from Amazon's corporate and its subsidiary employees worldwide. So you're not dealing with customers of Amazon, you're dealing with the employees of Amazon. You're going to provide basic technical support to those Amazon corporate employees worldwide. You'll research, resolve, and respond to inquiries you receive through web chat, telephone calls, email, their ticketing system, all the different systems they have in place in a timely manner and in accordance with their organizational standards. You'll diagnose and troubleshoot the computing problems, including analyzing the problem, identifying the appropriate resources, testing the proposed fixes to make sure they work, and following up to ensure with the employee that the problem is resolved. Of course, this means you'll create and submit all detailed call logs documenting your interactions with them. Now, what they're requiring is 1 year of some kind of work experience working with Windows, Mac, or Linux operating system support, a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree, and somebody who has experience troubleshooting integrated or interdependent computer systems. Now, if you have some kind of computer qualifications, that is a plus, but it is not required. Now, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, and they have a very wide pay range. Their lowest pay will be $36,500, and that's in their lowest geographic market. And of course, in your highest geographic markets, if you live in high cost of living areas like California and stuff, pay can go all the way up to $91,800 a year. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, if you are celebrating, please have a fabulous celebration and weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.